We're really excited to be here today with Penguin Solutions, one of our top partners, and really excited to have Stephen Greene here with us. Stephen, how's SC been for you so far?
It's been great, Matt. Thanks, first of all, for the invite to come be with you guys and be a partner at SC with VDURA. It's been a great show. The collaboration, the amount of traffic we've seen, the energy's real high here at SC this year. And just really excited about this week.
Great. Well, thank you, Stephen. Tell us a little bit about what's been changing and going on at Penguin.
Well, we've had an exciting week here. We've announced the next version of our Origin AI, expanding on our capabilities with more GPU optionality as well as hardware availability and optionality there. And the update to our clusterware software for managing it all, which I know is a great part of our partnership with VDURA. So it's been an action-packed week on the product front, but then also some wonderful engagements with our close partners and our customers as well.
Great. Well, with the development of AI, how do you see the future looking?
It's very bright. It's obviously a very dynamic time, and with the rapid adoption of AI and all the potential use cases out there, we're seeing a lot of customers and partners come to us and engage with us to figure out how to best do this. What Penguin's expertise is in designing, building, deploying, and managing AI infrastructure. So that means helping customers figure out what exactly they need based on their workload and environment, building that out for them and doing the testing in our factory to make sure it's going to perform once it's deployed, and then of course working through the integration on site with the data center staff and the other partners to get that infrastructure up and into play and running at the right performance.
One thing we're really excited about is durability and strength of data. You saw we had the mountain from Game of Thrones here. How impactful is losing data to you?
Well, I think, at the end of the day, data is the fuel for all these systems. So, it's really, really important that across the entire system, it be optimized for the highest availability and performance at all layers. And I think, the data access, data portability, data scalability, data security are really critical in that process, and having partners like VDURA who are working on that problem through their data platform, really helps bring together a fully integrated solution on top of our infrastructure knowledge and ability to build out the physical side of it, and then manage the nodes through clusterware to really give them a fully available system that operates at the highest levels possible.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time, Stephen.
Oh, glad to do it, Matt. Look forward to seeing you again.